Hi guys! Welcome back to the Tomato Thing with Casey Cruz, where I recycled stuff and give them second chances. Today I will show you how to make a decorative hanging light using this plastic container. Yes, I will transform this plastic container into a hanging light and it can be useful inside your house. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Let's get started. For this project, you will need Let's begin our project by making holes on the top and at the bottom of our plastic container. So we will use our cutter and scissors. So let's begin on the bottom part. Let's make a starter hole for you to cut. I'm gonna use a knife because the cutter doesn't work. Now I think this is okay. Once you have the starter, you can use the scissor. The bottom part is hard because it's the thickest part of the container, but you can use the scissor after once you started the hole. See, easy peasy. So now the hole, it's not straight, so I'm gonna make it straight. I'll cut it and trim. Anyways, this will be covered later, so no need to be perfect because no one is perfect. So just be careful on the starting point, the beginning, because that's the hardest part. My cutter is too small, so I use the knife, and then later on use the scissor. So now you have this, okay? After you made a hole here on the bottom of the container, we'll also make a hole on the cover of the container so we can insert the cord. So with that, I will just use a Sharpie to mark here. Maybe I'll measure it so I know how big it is. Maybe I just measured it this big. Probably. Maybe make sure it's in the center. I think this big. Yeah. And then I'll cut it. So I will be using this cutter and also a lighter, so it's easy to cut. No, I will just heat the cutter. There you go. We're done with the hole. You can try insert this. There. Perfect. Okay. So now we have a hole here. This one is also open. We will decorate now our hanging light. So to decorate that, I will be using this A4 white paper, you can change it into a colored paper if you want, but I would like white so it will be clean. And then I will also be using this wrapping paper, but this wrapping paper is textured. Like, this is the one I used from my previous project, and I will be using it again because I really like the texture and the color. So I will make paper leaf with this. So to begin that, I will fold this so it will be easy for me to make. I don't need to cut it one by one. So I'll fold this. Just cut. I fold another one so it's not too thick. And fold it again. So you fold it like this, and this will be the shape or the size. Sorry, the size for the leaf. So to make it easier for me to cut, I will just cut this into half, and then I will cut the shape here. Okay, so to cut the shape of the leaf is very simple. Just from the bottom, you start in the middle and then make the curve until you end at the middle, also at the top. And then you do the same thing here, and then end on the top. So now you have this leaf shape. So you will do all, I cut all this paper into the shape. Also the textured wrapping paper, you will do the same thing. Once we're done cutting all our paper and turn it into a leaf shape, we'll add some texture on it, like a little bit of texture by folding it, so it will be look like 3D, not like flat. So to do that, we will fold this leaf into from this, right? We fold it into half lengthwise, and then fold slanting diagonal. We fold it diagonally, then alternate on the other side, and then on the other side, the back, and in front, and then at the back. So you will have something like this, and then when you open it, you have this. So it's like you added a form on the leaf. Okay, it doesn't look like flat anymore. So we will going to make all of this into something like this. Okay, so once you're done folding all your paper leaf, we're gonna get our plastic container and we'll stick this around. So we will start from the bottom. We'll stick this, let's start with our wrapping paper. We will stick this around like this, all around this container. So I'm using my glue gun to stick. So I'll just make add a glue gun, hot glue, and then so I'll stick this one by one. It's okay to overlap. We're gonna make another layer, but we will make sure to stick it in between two paper leaf. So next we will use our white paper leaf here on the top to go around so it will blend in with this with the cover. And now we're done. Just fix a little bit. Wow. Then we get our hanging light cord and our light bulb. Get the one that has a on and off switch already, or you can get the one that is the on and off switch are in the cord, but this one I got it from a market and they're selling this and the on and off switches in here, so I'm just using this one. And then a light bulb, just insert this hole and there you have it. You can add some glue using your glue gun on the light base so your light shade is steady. And when you're done, you have your hanging light with a very modern style, and look at that. So nice, right? It doesn't even look like a container, a plastic container anymore, and it's very pretty. I hope that you like this project, and if you want more projects like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button for more project ideas just like this. Remember guys, if I can do it, you can do it too. See you next week. Bye-bye.